You are there. I see the future self. I see you. You've stopped playing video games. You've stopped playing with yourself. You've stopped consuming Netflix, watching all the girls twerking on TikTok. You've stopped all that, my friend. You've stopped it. What you're doing is knuckling down. You've focused on something, and I'm speaking to myself here. I see you, man. I see the future me hiding in there. Yeah, a year away from now, mate. Minted. No financial advice whatsoever on the channel, my friends. I'm just a guy just sitting in a room. Connor, love you, man. Welcome, guys and girls. Hope you're good. Thank you once again for landing on the channel. The algorithm YouTube gods have seen fit to land you here, so thank you so much. Hope you're all good. Before we kick off, my friends, if you wouldn't mind liking the video, please, and subscribe because to have you back on the channel again, my friends. We are also over on X because to have you over there, and of course subscribe if you don't mind, please. That would be much appreciated. Okay, watched a fantastic podcast last night. Sean Deckmar, brilliant guy, and Team Ball Trading doing a podcast. And on it, pretty much, Sean was like, okay, best thing to do, if you're just starting your trading journey, before we kick off, clarification. So for the last 4 months, we have been doing demo accounts. So I have been a good boy. I've been trying my best. I've been trying to read. Brad Go has been a massive help. Anyone in the space who I can consume content off to do with Fibonacci's, retracement levels, support and resistance, uptrends, anything at all to do with consuming content on trading, mainly crypto at the moment. But I am going to go into Forex trading, and I'm going to learn all there is to know because many strings to your bow and all that sort of thing. Get yourself OBS. I just downloaded that, and then might as well just log for myself, but mainly I just blast it on the YouTube channel. Log for myself progress. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, I will start off today. Bit of clarification, chat about a little trade that we did enter. There we are. And you can see the size of the balance, not much. We're 150. Now, yesterday, we were on 132. And last night we had it to 160. So not a lot, okay? Now, I know many of you are going to troll down below. That's fine. I'm a big boy. I can take it, my friends. Don't you worry about it. I'm trying to start on a small account with not that much leverage and just trying to build it steady. I've jumped off the demo, the paper trading account. Jumped off the demo account now onto a normal account. I have a few $100s. When I first got into crypto about 1.5 years ago, and trading in particular, pretty much just like you do, blast in $200, lose it, another $300, lose it, another $100, lose it, another sell some at $300 or $400. You get that up $600-700, maybe fluke, and then boom, back down again. So I just want to chat to my future self. Okay, you're in there, future self. You are there. I see the future self. I see you. You've stopped playing video games. You've stopped playing with yourself. You've stopped consuming Netflix, watching all the girls twerking on TikTok. You've stopped all that, my friend. You've stopped it. What you're doing is knuckling down. You've focused on something, and I'm speaking to myself here. I see you, man. I see the future me hiding in there. Yeah, a year away from now, mate. Minted. With everything in life, my friend, comes small incremental steps. Let's get pen tool out. Here we go. Jump on charts for 1 moment. So we had a little trade on today. We lost $7 in total. There was a slight story to that. So when I woke up this morning, there we go. When I woke up this morning, the whole market was about there. When I got up out of bed, I thought, oh, damn. If I'd have woke up like maybe an hour earlier, I'd have caught all this upward trend, all of it, all these green candles here. I'd have caught the lot, and that would have been great, wouldn't it? Wake up and you get that. But morning pumps are the best. Anyway, I digress. Now, yesterday I did draw some support and resistance levels. You can see my support and resistance levels. There they are, the blue ones. So I was like, oh, okay. When it was on the very top of that, it had wicked out the very top line of that, and I was like, oh, cool, okay. That's brilliant. So it's going to go down. We're just range trading here. I watched another YouTuber, I forget her name, she's fantastic. I'll try and link it down below. And she says I make a very good living just out of trading a range. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So I was like, okay, that's great. That's brilliant. We entered here. I thought, honestly, it was going to kick right back down. And it didn't do. Look, we got stopped out here. That's fine. And we lost like $8. Now, I'm talking to my past self. Now, the past self, me, I chased it. It's hard, and it is. I'm trying to read books and trying to get in the right mindset to not chase losing trades. Okay? So if a trade's going badly, don't chase it. Get out. Cut your loss. You've lost it. No worries. Learn from it. Move forward. We'd lost there $6 because the trade went up. I bet on the trade going down, up, and it didn't. Yesterday it did. Today it didn't. Because it went up, it wicked up really quite fast. Here we go. This beautiful wick up, fantastic. When I've traded crypto in the past, anything that wicks up super fast, and I mean one engulfing candle, massively bullish, when it gets to the top, normally loses loads of momentum and flies right back down. Almost as fast as it goes up, you might recapture all the downside or at least half of the movement again, and which is what I did. So it was a bit of intuition. Okay, so when it was up here and we'd lost, we were down $10. It's only 10. So we'd rode it back down, recovered about $4 of our dollars, okay, which is, you know, it's trash, I know. But I knew full well that I could get at least half of my loss back. Now, what I'm telling myself is you should zoom out, man. When in doubt, zoom out. It's so right. Well, I should have done this. And to be fair, if I'm normally sat on my PC here, you can see things a lot clearer than on a mobile device. That's me personally. I don't know about you guys and girls, but that's me personally. So I'm looking here thinking, yeah, I'm just trying to get this little play. This is great here, up, down, and finding the range. That sound, there was, you know, it was like, whatever, it was like there-ish. So we're just playing this range here, that sound. It wicked up, and I tried to catch some, got it on the way back down, which is great. But, my friends, what happened was I should have zoomed out. And A, B, C, yeah. Where's the D? Let's go from the very bottom to where it swings over. I've got to retest somewhere around this 0.382, and it's there or thereabouts. Yeah, it isn't perfect on it, but you can see if we zoom in just a little bit more that there's a few wicks. Wick. So it's running out of steam, which is what I should have saw, to be fair. I didn't see it, so it's my bad for not seeing it, okay? But like I say, we should have zoomed out. So we had an A, B, C, and we should have gone back up. But look where it hits, man. We always have negative 0.27 extension, and it hit it beautifully. Literally beautifully. Okay, this would have been a blinding trade. No financial advice. This would have been a wicked trade, my friends. I'm angry at myself because I didn't follow my own advice that I've been learning, you know, vigorously and very thoroughly as well. I've been watching it, you know. So A, B, C. So the moment it hits C here, we should have just longed it. Oh mate, it would have been really good, but it probably had it there. It's about a 3. It's only like a 3, man, 0.2, but about a 3 to 1 or thereabouts. There you go. If you're trading on, say, 9x leverage or 10x leverage, you're going to be risking probably $8 to $10 to make 23. You know, well, 30 is a 3x, but it was less than that, so about $26. Thing is, on a 150 odd balance, right, 150 odd dollars, it was 160 at the time, so 150 odd dollars, you are seriously doing well. That's okay. That's decent sizable percentage, which is how we should look at it. It's percentage profit, my friends. Percentage. Yeah, it's kind of annoying, to be fair. I just wanted to point out the fact that I had a wicked trade on this morning, missed it because I just didn't zoom out. So this is note to self: if in doubt, zoom out of the charts, my friends. Make sure you zoom out of the charts. But that's how it goes. You know, yesterday we win some. Today we definitely could have won that one. My friends, hope you've enjoyed the video. It's just one of those. Just wanted to crack on and just post some content. This is the very first video. Much love. Take care. See you next one. Great to have you here, man, by the way. Genuinely love having you here. Well, have a good one, everyone. Take care. Much love. Be profitable. Stay safe. And above all, my friends, be good to one another. I love you guys.